The difference between leading regulatory affairs regionally versus globally, for me, I really think of them as being mirror images of each other. The global lead is normally the person that interfaces with the home regulator and the regulator that's responsible for supervising the whole organization. So those people have to have a very good handle of what's going on in the whole organization. And they are closest to what the home regulator wants, but those priorities really are applied to the whole organization. The global lead also sets the tone for regulatory relationships throughout the whole organization. And they have an obligation to really make sure that all of the people in the regional offices understand what the priorities are and what sort of activities are going on to meet the regulatory requirements of the home regulator. The regional and local leaders, on the other hand, they usually have primary responsibility and normally the expertise in dealing with relationships with the host regulators, the ones in the countries where the regions or the subsidiaries are. They do need to have a good understanding of what's going on with the home regulator because they may very well be supporting projects or talking about how they match up, the local organizations match up against those requirements. But they also are, the global leaders really rely on them for the expertise locally, and they have to be able to communicate to the central organization and the global lead what's going on in their region. So really the common thing is that both roles really rely very heavily on strong communication skills and an ability to work at distance, often in a matrixed organization structure, to make sure that each of the parties is very well informed about what is going on either centrally and globally for the regulatory relationship or locally for the dealing with the local regulators.